Okay, for my ad campaign, I chose the Rethink Honduras ads. This is from the Honduras Travel and Tourism Board. These are the 3 original ads in the campaign. You can see part of the design is that part of the ad, part of the revealed picture sticks out from the words. The words are the reveal. They're masking over whatever the picture is. I thought the parrot one was really stunning. That's not the one I chose as my original. I didn't find it until I'd already chosen this one over here, the diver. But I really liked that. And then this is the Travel and Tourism Board for Honduras, their main logo. This phrase down at the bottom here pretty much means "we are here for you." I thought that was very welcoming and nice. And upon further inspection of the original, as far as the design goes, as I said, this big bold font here reveals the image behind it, and you can only see what's through the Rethink, except for what sticks out on the edges. And I really like that. It's kind of like a think outside the box sort of thing. I thought that was a pretty stunning way to present an idea or an activity of what they want you to know that you can do while you're in Honduras. And then the word Honduras down at the bottom matches the coloring of part of the picture there. This is the Honduras travel logo stuck down at the bottom, and their website there on the left side. For topography, the font itself here is a pretty basic Helvetica font on this one. I was able to search out and find the exact one to use. And I use it throughout my slide presentation here as well. This is all that same font. The same Helvetica font is in the copy down here at the bottom as well. I really liked the Honduras font. It's a little bit different. It's a handwritten font. It is actually called Billy, Ohio. So I was able to find that one as well and download it. I really like the design of that. And I use that here in my slide presentation for my headings a few times throughout here. That as well as the same font. Kind of looks like a Sharpie, maybe. So as far as color in the campaign, the color of the Honduras, as I said, kind of matches something in the ad. The rest of the color is pretty much defined by whatever the picture is. The copy down at the bottom here is just black. And then the Honduras travel logo adds quite the splash of color in each of their slides, or each of their ad. So it's my turn to give it a go here. So I chose a hang glider, or a paraglider. I really based this pretty much on the color of the canopy, and I'll talk about that more in a second. But I put the canopy right through the H because that was what gave it the most reveal as it kind of crossed through horizontally of anywhere on the page. I could have put it a little higher here, but you wouldn't have seen nearly as much of the canopy through those letters as you do through these. Also, this left him hanging low enough where I could leave the little guy hanging off the bottom of the words, and I really like that a lot. So all of this up here, same font as as what they use, the Helvetica, and again the Billy, Ohio font here for Honduras. Had to do quite a bit of searching to find those to be able to use them again, but I was able to. And then on colors, as I said, I selected this image simply based on the bright orange canopy. I felt like that stuck out against the sky and really popped. His backpack, his parachute pack, matches that color as well. I like that a lot. Matched the Honduras color with the sky up here rather than this down below. There's a lot of grays and light blues down here. It didn't really pop very well, but I matched it to this color of the sky a little higher. I felt like that worked pretty well. And then finish up with the Honduras main travel and tourism logo. Thanks everyone for watching.